Oh my. She's finally retreated from her cave. Hi, baby. Come out for a breather? Yeah, that's good. I was about to go in there to check up on you. I was just thinking about doing something with you. Maybe watching one of the new movies on Netflix or a YouTube video or something. Oh, you had something to say? Well, go on. Tell me what it is. Lay it on me. Oh, honey, you are so cute. Are you saying you want to dom me? Oh, what made you come to that conclusion? Just wanted to try something new? Okay, alright. I'm willing to try that. Actually, since we're both supposedly free... Are you actually free? Yeah? Okay. Do you want to try things out right now? Alright, coolio. So, how are you going to go about it? A surprise? Right, of course. Since you're doming me, I'll let you take the lead. Oh, how romantic. Sit on the couch. Okay, whatever you say, beautiful. What? You're leaving me? Where are you going? Oh, this is part of the surprise. I'll stay on the couch then. Now I'm curious what she's gonna get. Oh, she's back. What did my cutie pie bring me today? Oh, sorry. What did my favorite dom in the whole wide world bring me today? What? I like to think I'm a little funny. Sorry. Okay. What did you bring? Handcuffs. Interesting. I think I like where this is going. Alright, alright. My hands are above my head. Don't worry, baby. I'm not going anywhere. You're so cute. That really hurt. No, it's okay. I can't help but laugh a little. Are you okay, though? I mean, how did you even slip? Unsure? I see. Well, I have even more bad news, lovely. You were so focused on kissing that when you slipped, you handcuffed me a little too tightly. Do you have the key on you so you could loosen them a little? No? Dang. Well, then Is it okay if we stop for a second so you can go get them? I can hold off, but I'd rather be safer and get them loosened a little. Thank you, baby. Oh, my head. Honestly, shouldn't these have been cuffed to something? I can still move them. Well, I guess maybe that's how she wanted it. Even so, Yeah, I'm doing alright. Welcome back, dear. I won't lie, my arms are a little sore. Am I allowed to put them down now? No. Yeah, I thought so. Just have to say, you look very hot from this angle, dear. You sure do. Let me guess. You dropped the keys? It's okay. I don't know why, but I figured something like this would happen. It's okay, it's okay. Let's just continue. Oh, so we're going to this stage now? Babe? Babe? I think you're a little too aggressive with the... Okay. Maybe we should stop for a second. No, it's okay. Wow, that's pretty red. Is that teeth marks? Oh my god, were you trying to bite me? It's okay, cutie. Go on and continue. Maybe we should go back to the kissing. Ooh, scandalous. Lifting my shirt up with the windows open. Who said I didn't like it? What? Oh, hold on. Wait a second. Maybe I hallucinated that, but did you just... did you just boop my belly button? I don't think I can pretend you didn't do it. Not only did I feel that, but I watched you do it. Alright, babe. I think I might have to take a rain check this time. Why? Well, I won't lie. I'm in a little pain right now. You bit me twice. You lost the keys after cuffing me too tight. You slipped and hit my head. And now I'm in a bit of a giggly mood since you booped me. I mean, I don't think I'll let that go, honestly. It was a little cute. Weird, but cute. Seems like I'll have to teach you a few things about being a top before we can try this again. Maybe we should try being a little more assertive. and prepared. It started off well at first, but then you got clumsy, for lack of better words. Aw, it's okay, babe. I mean, you did good, but there's always room for improvement. Come here. But I will say, if there's anything I'll give you points for, it's for bringing out these chains. That really helped you a lot, but maybe we should start trying to find the keys now. These bad boys are really starting to hurt. Hi everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to check out more content from me, then head on over to Patreon using my Linktree link in the description. Currently, there's 5 different tiers you can join with several different benefits. As of right now, the most popular tier is my Cupcake tier, which includes full access to my bonus Safe for Work and Not Safe for Work content that's exclusive to Patreon only, voting power for future content, and for your name to be put under the special thanks board at the end of every video. Of course, there are other tiers too, some more affordable like my $5 sugar cookie tier that includes the same benefits but doesn't have full access to Not Safe for Work content, and my $3 cake pop tier that is for the lovelies that just enjoy Safe for Work content. And if you don't fancy Patreon, you can always support me on Ko-fi by just giving me a donation and checking out all of my upcoming free Not Safe for Work audios. Anyways, love you guys, and see you next time.